Welcome to Auwers Haus, a sanctuary nestled in the heart of Schmallenberg, North Rhine-Westphalia. To embark on your bespoke journey, simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below for booking details and a glimpse into the extraordinary experience awaiting you. Here, the essence of refined living intertwines seamlessly with breathtaking natural beauty. Imagine waking to panoramic views of rolling hills, your senses awakened by the crisp mountain air. This exceptional residence boasts an expansive layout, featuring 7 meticulously appointed bedrooms to ensure both privacy and unparalleled comfort. Entertain in 2 elegant living rooms, warmed by a crackling fireplace, the perfect ambience for intimate gatherings or tranquil evenings. The heart of the home, a fully equipped kitchen complete with dishwasher and oven, awaits your culinary pursuits. Each of the 4 meticulously designed bathrooms offers a haven of relaxation, while the availability of a washer and dryer adds convenience to your stay. Step outside onto the terrace and breathe in the fresh, clean air while you lose yourself in the mountain views. Whether you seek adventure or serenity, Auwers Haus provides an idyllic backdrop. Embrace the tranquility of the garden. Discover the charm of the surrounding area with attractions like Kahler, Asten, and St. Georg-Schanze, just a short distance from your doorstep. Allow us to orchestrate an unforgettable escape. Secure your reservation now by scanning the QR code and let the anticipation begin.